20 years ago, I was given a homemade gimbal by one of the guys in the video club. Unfortunately, he made it upside down. I would have put this part here on the top, and I would have put this shoehorn down here. So today I'm going to see if I can take it apart, flip it around, and as you can see, it has now been heavily modified. I've trimmed the edge of that handle. I've brought the camera down lower. I've added a bar, 3/4 inch, and I've put two 2.5 pound weights at the bottom, along with another ending for the pipe.